Good morning, on and all present here. I'm Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in National College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic on relational algebra in database management system. What is a relational query language? The query language, which allows manipulate and retrieve of data from a database. Relational model supports simple, powerful QLs. Strong formal foundation based on logic allows for such optimization. Query languages, programming languages, QLs not expected to be turning complete, QLs not intended to be used for complex calculations. QL support easy, effective access to larger data sets. Formal relational query language, two mathematical query languages from the basis for real languages, SQL, and for implementation. Relational algebra, relational calculus, more operations, very useful for representing executed plans. Relational calculus lets users describe that what they want rather than how to compare it. Non-operational declaration. Relational algebra, there are basic operators for it. For example, first one is selection operator. Selects a subset of rows from a relation. If there are two tables, this selection operator is used to select the different types of rows from a table. Next one, projection operator, deletes unwanted columns from the relation. It is used to delete unwanted column from the relation. Next one is cross product. Allows us to combine two relations. It is for two relations. If there are two tables, it is used to combine the two relations in a table. Next one, set differences. Tuples in relation 1 but not in relation 2, then we go for set differences. Union of tuple in relation 1 and in relation 2. If we have in both the table relation, it is known as union. If we have only one table relation, it is known as set differences. Additional operator, intersection, join, division, renaming, not essential but useful. For example, so in the selection operator, selects rows from a relation that satisfies a given condition. For example, syntax for select operation may be sigma condition of relation of. This is an example of selection operator. Next one is an projection operator. The project operator selects the specific columns from a relational, removing the duplicates. It is used to remove the duplicate. Syntax we use here will be pi of attribute 1 comma attribute 2 till n attributes with an relation. This relational algebraic expression using the projection operation would be sigma pi name comma age of student. This expression we need to take two different tables and we must combine the tables. Next one is an union operation. Union operator in relational algebra is used to combine the result of two relations. It returns all the rows that are present in either of the two relation exceeding the duplicate. So duplicates are been exceeding from this union operator. The symbol here we can use is U symbol, which denotes an U operator. For second one is set differences. Set differences in relational algebra is used to return the rows that are present in one relation. For example, if we are combining two tables, one table will consist of ID, name and department, and the other table consists of the same ID, name, department. But here the set difference of student computer science and set difference of student EEE is returns the row student CS that are not in student EEE, because Alice and Bob are now Charles and David are been in EEE, but here Charles is an extra in computer science, so it will take the output of Alice and Bob. Next one is an Cartesian product. Cartesian product operates in relational algebra, is used to combine every row of one relation with every row of another relation. For example, if there are two tables tables. One is a student table and next one is a course table. Cartesian product will be student into course. So result will be, it will combine the both the tables. For example, student will consist of ID and name, course consist of course ID and course name. So this Cartesian product result will be student ID, name, course ID, course name. Next one is a rename operator. Rename operator in algebraic relational algebra is used to rename the attributes of the relation, particularly useful when you want to perform operations like joins on relations. It results will be up to that. Next one is a joint operator. Joint operator in relational algebra is used to combine two relation based on a common attribute. It merges two rows from the two relations that shares matching the values. For example, student joint of enrollment. There are two tables. One student table consists of student ID, name and department. Enrollment table consists of student ID, course ID and course name. So if we have a joint operation, it too gets joined and the student ID is been appeared only once. Thank you so much for the video.